If you correct your mind, the rest of your life will fall into place. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Care about what other people think and you will always be their prisoner. Life and death are one thread, the same line viewed from different sides. The truth is not always beautiful, nor beautiful words the truth. Who acts in stillness finds stillness in his life. I have just 3 things to teach: simplicity, patience, compassion. These 3 are your greatest treasures. Mastering others is strength. Mastering yourself is true power. If you realize that all things change, there is nothing you will try to hold on to. If you are not afraid of dying, there is nothing you cannot achieve. New beginnings are often disguised as painful endings. Being deeply loved by someone gives you strength, while loving someone deeply gives you courage. Life is a series of natural and spontaneous changes. Don't resist them, that only creates sorrow. Let reality be reality. Let things flow naturally forward in whatever way they like. By letting it go, it all gets done. The world is won by those who let it go. But when you try, the world is beyond the winning. Love is a decision, not an emotion. If you are depressed, you are living in the past. If you are anxious, you are living in the future. If you are at peace, you are living in the present. Be content with what you have, rejoice in the way things are. When you realize there is nothing lacking, the whole world belongs to you. Health is the greatest possession. Contentment is the greatest treasure. Confidence is the greatest friend. Non-being is the greatest joy. When you are content to be simply yourself and don't compare or compete, everyone will respect you. Kindness in words creates confidence. Kindness in thinking creates profoundness. Kindness in giving creates love. A leader is best when people barely know he exists. When his work is done, his aim fulfilled, they will say, "We did it ourselves." A man with outward courage dares to die, a man with inner courage dares to live. Time is a created thing. To say "I don't have time" is like saying, "I don't want to." At the center of your being you have the answer, you know who you are and you know what you want. If you would take, you must first give. This is the beginning of intelligence. Surrender your self-interest. Love others as much as you love yourself. Then you can be entrusted with all things under heaven. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Silence is a source of great strength. The words of truth are always paradoxical. Knowing others is wisdom, knowing yourself is enlightenment.